a step-by-step guide on how you can fix Roblox crashing on PS5. So first you want to hold onto the PS5 button so you minimize Roblox. Then you will click options, it's just going to be this button, click on it and close the game. Now we will again press on the options button, and first we want to check for updates, see if you have the latest version. If you have the latest version, we can again press on the options button, and this time we're gonna go and restore the license. Click on restore here, wait for a few seconds, and this is just gonna verify that your game is correctly installed. Now if that doesn't work, what we can do is to go into the settings, go and select users and accounts, and here we want to go back, we want to go into system, and we will choose system software update and settings, then update system software, and here you want to update using the internet. Now if you have the latest version of the software as well, the last thing that I suggest doing is going to be going into network, then settings, set up internet connection, here find your Wi-Fi and press the options button, then change the Wi-Fi frequency bands to 5 GHz only, and go into advanced settings. For the DNS settings, change it to manual, and here you want to type primary DNS 1.1.1.1, and the secondary DNS is going to be 1.0.0.1. Afterwards, click on OK. This is just going to verify your connection, and this should fix the issues with Roblox. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.